Hey there, Snapchatters. Are you feeling a bit confused about how to delete a private story on Snapchat? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. First off, let's quickly go over what a private story is. Essentially, it's a story that you only share with a select group of friends. But sometimes, we share things that we regret later on, and that's where deleting comes in handy. So, to delete a private story, here's what you need to do. Step 1, open Snapchat and go to your profile page. Step 2, scroll down to the private stories section and find the story you want to delete. Step 3, press and hold the story tile until a menu pops up. Step 4, select Delete Story from the menu. Step 5, confirm that you want to delete the story by tapping Delete again. And just like that, your private story is gone. It's important to note that once you delete a private story, it can't be recovered, so make sure you really want to delete it before confirming. Now if you want to remove your phone number from Snapchat, please check this video.